No, it's not very often that we visit top engineering companies in the sheet metal sector, but tell us a little bit about Recol Engineering Limited.
Yeah, well, Recol been established now for over 40 years. We pride ourselves on being one of the most recognised, reputable sheet metal manufacturers in the country. So, established over 40 years ago, and basically our journey has been one of latest investments into technology, good people, and continuous improvements.
I see you've got a lot of Armada kit here, but also automated. Is that something that you really sort of pride yourself on to be more cost effective for your customers?
Yeah, absolutely. Basically, throughout the business, we look at investing into the latest technologies and also world-leading technologies. We see Armada as one of the world leaders in processing equipment, and throughout the front end of our business, we've got Armada piercing, Armada automated piercing, laser punches, automated folding.
And what type of sectors do you dedicate yourselves in?
Okay, so we, on average, each month we're working with around about 30 to 40 different customers, and they're spread over about 14 different industry sectors. That could be anything from food processing, OEMs, telecommunications, switchgear, and many more.
Now, today we're here on behalf of MIE Solutions. You've been working with these guys for a number of years, but can you tell me a little bit about how you use their software?
So, around about 4 years ago, we upgraded our software with MIE. We moved to their Pro version, and our business now, from receipt of inquiry all the way through to invoice, and the quality control module is utilised throughout the entire business, and that's then further complemented with the use of kiosk and all the operations on the shop floor.
How was you operating without MIE Solutions before?
So we had a previous system in place, very basic, and it was not joined up. It essentially was just a system that allowed us to book orders on and place invoices.
So really, when the order comes in, the software is putting it all the way through the process to make you more efficient for your customer?
100%. So the actual system allows us not only just to make it more efficient, but it gives us complete control and management of the business.
You talk about investment, Noel. Now, I know you mentioned to me earlier that you've got another facility that you've spent a lot of money in, but could you have done that without MIE Solutions?
Utilising MIE over the past 4 years, being able to control the business, manage the business and make it more efficient has allowed us to now make further investments, and also to control the business over 2 different sites. We couldn't have done that without MIE.
This is your second facility. Now, I see that you've invested in turning and milling, so really you're a bit more of a one-stop shop then.
Yeah, absolutely. So the growth of the business and the direction that we went in has basically enabled us now to get a second dedicated manufacturing facility. And as you can see here, we've invested heavily into our CNC 5-axis milling, into our CNC turning and sliding heads.
And when you look at the type of customers that you're dealing with now, are they very different to 3 or 4 years ago without this second facility?
Yeah, absolutely. The second facility has attracted brand new customers, but it's also complemented the customers we already had, and it's also strengthened them partnerships and what we can supply into them customers.
And how does MIE Solutions integrate into this system here?
Exactly the same as it does in the first manufacturing facility. MIE is our operating system throughout the entire business, and both systems or both units are actually linked up to the same system.
What further investment have you actually got coming in here, Noel?
Okay, so most recently we've had the MIETrak Turning Centre, which is relatively new to the unit. We've also just had a new sliding edge Swiss lathe that's arrived. We also have plans as well, with potential growth that we see here, for actually investing further into the milling and perhaps automated milling centre.
And will it follow the philosophy of Industry 4 automation?
100%. We've already identified that with the customers and the products we already have in this unit, that it will lend itself absolutely to an automated system.
All run by MIE software?
100%.
One thing I can see here, Noel, is the investment that you've got here is based on the success of your business, but really working with MIE Solutions.
Yeah, absolutely. As I've said previously, the actual foundations that we have put in place with MIE, the foundations that we have laid, that MIE helps us to manage our business, has then enabled us then for the succession plan of the actual investments into the equipment.
And based on new equipment, does that mean you've got extra capacity?
Yeah, definitely. That's come from not just investing into the equipment, but also the efficiencies MIE have provided, and also then we can get further shift patterns.
And for those engineers that may be looking to outsource their sheet metal or turning or milling, what's your message to them?
Please knock on the door.